Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss expelling toxin in liver and gallbladder. Scraping methods for expelling toxin in the liver and the gallbladder. The areas to be scraped are here the corresponding area of the liver and the gallbladder on the spine, the projection area of the liver and the gallbladder on the body surface, and the Shaoyang gallbladder meridian of the foot in the lower limbs, and then the Yang Ling Quan point, the GB34, and then the Guangming point, the GB37. Next is the reflection area of the liver in the sole, the reflection area of the gallbladder in the sole, the Juyin liver meridian of foot in the lower limbs, and the Dadun point or liver 1, and then the Q Chuan point or liver 8, and then here the reflection area of the liver and the palm, and the reflection area of the gallbladder in the palm. Next is methods for scraping. First, use the surface scraping to scrape the corresponding area of the liver and the gallbladder on the spine from top to bottom. Second is use the surface scraping to scrape the projection area of the liver and the gallbladder on the body surface from up to bottom. Third, use the flat pressing and kneading to press and knead the reflection areas of the liver and the gallbladder in palm. The fourth is use the surface scraping to scrape from Yang Lingquan point to Guangming point along the gallbladder meridian in lower limbs and from Chuquan point to Dadun point along the liver meridian. And the fifth is use the flat pressing and kneading to press and knead the reflection areas of the liver and the gallbladder in sole. Tips for Chinese medicine. The period of expelling toxin in the gallbladder is between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. At midnight, the period in which yang energy begins to go up. People will be apt to suffer from insomnia if they don't sleep in this period. Long-term insomnia will affect human functions all over the body and further influence functions of the inner organs. The period of expelling toxin in the liver is between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. in the early hours, the high time in which the liver produces blood and expels toxin, requiring the guarantee for deep sleep. People with undesirable functions of the liver and the gallbladder must not often stay up late. Thank you for your attention.